Here we are buying the stones. This is where we buy the stones. If you're in Migori area, this is the place where you can buy the stones. We have different stones here: machine cut, hand cut, mixed colors. Machine cut over there: black, dark, yellow, gold, and even chocolate if you want. So this is where we buy the stones. And I'm short of stones for the project, so we are here to pack them in this lorry and then take them to the site very fast. It's lunchtime, everybody's taking lunch. I'm here to get the stones. Once they are finish the lunch, then we can start walking back so that we can beat the time, because it's very it's a rainy time, so it can be hit by rain very fast anytime. So before that happens, we want to make sure that we get the stones into the site before it rains and also after lunch. So this is what we are doing right now here. Instead of going for lunch, we are taking lunch here as stone throwers and stone packers, whichever the name we call it. So this is how it is done. This is the place where you can buy stones in Migori area. Yeah. It is along Migori, Hispania Road. It's just off the road, near Maranatha area. This is where you can get the stones, even the plates for the floor, stones for building, stone cut, building. And this is the truck that's gonna load right now, and then we take them to the site. Nice area, off the road, and get what you want. So keep watching. Yeah, that's the road. Nice, that's Migori town on the horizon. That's how it looks like. Be careful before this guy get too close. Yeah, today's activity very tight. It's a Friday, and it's a day that we want to finish everything before Saturday, because we don't work on Saturday, so we have to finish all the job we are doing today on Saturday right here. And this is where we want to work right now. Okay, let's work begin.
你是干掉啊？
At this time, I tried to negotiate the price for loading the truck with these guys who are here, and they hiked the price. They made it so expensive that I said, okay, if you think I'm joking, and I didn't have a lot of time to mess around with them. So I told them, we can help me load this truck, or if you don't want, I'll load it myself. And it wasn't too much for me, because I was already, my blood was really warm at this time. I had already started working. I left my guys on the ground waiting for me. They wanted these blocks so fast, and these guys were delaying here. They were hiking the price. So I started working on it myself, and they started calling one another to come and witness how I was gonna do it myself. And they were surprised that I was on task, and I was just working and doing it without even looking back, and took the bull by the horn, and I kept going. I didn't stop, and that's why they came to witness if I would do it, or I was just somebody who was ready to be ripped off, which I didn't allow them. And that's how it went on. Yeah, so this is how we do it. Yeah? Feel this feel this track so that we can take them so fast before it's late. And that's the number you can call. If you want stones, cuts, the ones I've shown you, the ones I'm buying right now, that's the number. Yes. That's the number, you can call them and they can deliver anywhere you want the task. This is the gentleman who is working on this. What's your name?
Duncan.
Huh?
Duncan Ochieng.
Duncan Ochieng is the guy on the task. The one who is responsible for everything. He's the manager of this area. And you see, the manager is working on these stones on his own. Wonderful. If you miss it, it hits. If it hits you, you're gone. Yeah. And the guy is throwing it so hard. Unampiga tip here, pia. Pia unamchukua. Pia anachukua. Hiyo umepasuka. Mbaya. Wale la Chigolo ndio. Wale la Chigolo. Guy is dangerous. He will hurt me very soon. He's aiming my leg, my thigh.
He's throwing it very hard.
Throwing it on me. You wanna hurt me? Okay. Haya, chukua pepo. Hiyo mbaya, chukua ingine. Yo kisha kufanya, leo bali na chill kato hivi hivi ya desi, leo sasa. Ile kana wewe, leta. Twende. Kana na. Let me give you a helping hand. Mimi ni Eli. Chukua. Mimi. Sawa. Taking a chill pic after struggling that way. Nice trail over there. Very hot today. It's like it wanna rain, and these are the next ones I'm coming for. Very nice plates. This one's also decorating the ground. Right one. You can buy this one plate. Very nice. Very strong. Here we go. Going to the site. Checking stones. The site. Busy day. That's how we conducted our day's activity today. Beehive activity. Happening in the village today. Some playing soccer, provide of the good food. That's one that get down. Wow, village. Everywhere kids used to play soccer is here. This building a nice house here. House, a nice organic fence, another nice house there. Haya, ingia hapo. Pale mbele. Ndio inga. Logo tuko. Hola. Every day. So busy. Never drink the water. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Sit down. Nice building there. That's my village. Developing very fast. Look at that big forest. Very nice houses. Houses really nice. My village is springing up. nice gate. I love that gate. It's a nice house. That's my friend's house. Beautiful. Beautiful house. My friend lives there. Fellow villagers, this is another friend. That's nice place. And that's a school. And beyond there, on that maroon roof, that's my house. And that's the school. Dia dia.
Wale mbele.
Songa mbele.
That's the school. That's the school. Right there, that's my house. So at this point, we had already built this wall in different portions, and also we were covering the whole of the perimeter, but there are some places that were to be filled up by building the pillars, like those spaces where we have the wires. So we had to fill them up so that this thing can be a complete perimeter wall. So we had also to build the wall there, like where this guy is standing, all the way up until the level of the metal. If not, you leave it halfway this way, somebody will come and cut them off at night. So we had to build them up, build them nicely and complete. And also the gaps between them, those pillars were to be built. And eventually we had to put like a beam on top of all these when it's all done. I didn't finish it to that level because of the time and also other reasons that pushed me not to complete it. So I had to come back and work again and get the power to go and complete it all. Otherwise, we reached this level and we finished. So we got the stones from the stone place where we bought them, where I showed you. We brought them with the truck, and that was to fill the rest of the wall that was not built. So we came in time. Everybody was ready, waiting for the stone, and the materials, the sand and the mortar were ready. So when we came, we just started working on it to finish the last lap. Though it was, we worked so hard, we tried to finish it, but we couldn't. And that was now the 5th day. And it was a lot of work, done so quickly in a very short time with dedicated people. And that's the goodness of having a very dynamic team, which is is coordinated well and working towards a common goal, which was to finish this. I know some people wanted it to last longer, so that they can be coming to work on it every day. But I didn't have enough time for that, so I just had to push it until we finished it. So the following day we finished it. That will be on the next video, which is the 5th day of this video. So keep in tune and be ready to watch for more amazing job that was done in a very short time. This is a motivation for everybody who would want to do something. There's not much I can tell you about it, but you have to be dedicated, motivated, and also seal-oriented that this is a specific time I want to finish this thing, and it has to be. If not, you're going to use a lot of money, and also you're going to take a lot of time to accomplish your goal. So my goal was to finish so quickly and get out of it, which I did, and this is how it came out. If it's motivating you, I'm happy. If it's not, let's keep learning, because there are more things that would motivate you here. This one. Hi. It's high. This one. Hi. This one. The longest. No way. The highest. This will be the best place. That is the best place. So that's how we did it. Thank you for watching. This is Arubi. I'm finishing this video this evening. It's already 6 and everybody's tired. I'm tired, everybody's exhausted. But we did a good job. It's finished, it's well done, and I'm satisfied. So next week we'll do this filling which on this part, but that part we're already working on it. Like you can see, we're working on it there.
Yes.
So I'll give you more, I'll show you more videos
Yes.
as we go on. Thank you for watching. Bye.